Hello everyone. From ancient times, people have been using cow dung and farm waste as a fuel to cook their food. Now it is being used as a fuel in many of the villages till now also. But they are not an effective source of energy to use as a fuel as their efficiency is very low. That is, the energy produced by them while burning is very low and they produces a lot amount of smoke while burning. Now this smoke is harmful for the environment as well as the person who is cooking the food. Now we know that these farm waste and cow dung are produced in a country in a huge amount. I think you could find them everywhere. So is there some way that we could utilize them in a form of energy? Is there some way that we could convert them into some form so that we could utilize that form as a source of energy? And answer to this is yes. We can convert them into biogas by setting up a biogas plant. So let us see that how does a biogas plant is established and how does it works. So to make a biogas plant, first of all, a hole is drilled into the soil and then such a type of arrangement is formed. Now one part of cow dung and farm waste is taken and 3 parts of water is mixed to this part. Now they are mixed very well and a slurry of this mixture is fed into the mouth of the digester. Now if you talk about the digester, it is a closed chamber which has no oxygen and hence inside this chamber the digester anaerobic oxidation takes place. The anaerobic microorganisms are present in the cow dung. So when this mixture of cow dung and water known as slurry moves into the digester, the microorganisms get activated and they get an environment of non-oxygen. So when they get the environment where oxygen is not present, they become activated and they start decomposing this organic food into simpler substances. So this takes a time of some days and after some days, gases like methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide gets released. And after some days, it becomes a continuous process. So this mixture of all the gases is known as biogas, which composes of around 75% methane and hence it acts as an excellent fuel. Now this mixture of gases in the digester move to the gas tank and through this gas tank it is being supplied through a pipeline to the kitchens. The slurry which gets left out after the decomposition is very rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. So it is taken out and then it is supplied in the farm as a manure. Now you can see that by setting up a biogas plant and feeding the cow dung and farm waste into this plant, we are getting a very good source of fuel, that is biogas. And additionally, we are also getting the source of manure which is very rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. And hence, we can say that by setting up a biogas plant, we are getting 2 things as the product. One is the biogas and second is a manure. So setting up a biogas plant is very useful and hence government also subsidize the building of the biogas plant as this will provide the people a cleaner source of fuel and also they will get a source of manure.